Hello my friend, we are pleased to introduce our PC series crushers to you. PC series plastic crushers are widely used in the recycling of waste plastics and factory scraps. The motor power of the plastic crusher is between 11 and 110 kilowatts. What we see now is the PC60 type crusher crushing the head with. The crusher has 18 rotary blades and 2 fixed blades. Sealed bearings are used to keep the bearings running smoothly for a long time. Equipped with suction fan and storage silo, the recycling efficiency can be fully utilized. The output size of the material is controlled by the crusher screen. The larger the screen, the larger the output material size. PC series crushers also have silent models and pipe-specific models. The fully enclosed design and noise reduction technology of the silent crusher make the noise of the machine very low when it is working, greatly reducing environmental pollution and harm to workers. The traction feeding device in the video is specially used for coil waste. The crusher chamber adopts a double-layer design with sound insulation cordon in the middle to greatly reduce noise. High crushers have significant advantages, especially in the recycling of plastic pipes. The unique round tube feeding port design facilitates the feeding of long pipes and improves work efficiency. Suction fans and storage barrels are optional to further optimize recycling efficiency. It is suitable for crushing small and medium-sized plastic pipes, such as PVC, PVC, etc. PC series crusher has a very high cost performance, low price, low energy consumption, high working efficiency, easy maintenance. If you are interested in our crusher, please let us know your material and required output. Thank you for watching.